Hi, it's Jamie with JamiesArtsalaCartes. Thank you very much for joining me. I have a fun project planned for us today. I hope this video inspires you to create something of your own. If you would, hit the like button and share the video with your friends. That helps me to grow this channel and to continue to bring you new projects. If you haven't subscribed yet, would you please consider subscribing? And if you have, thank you very much. Well, we have a lot to do, so let's get to it. We're going to be creating some coasters with 4-inch ceramic tiles, and we're going to use the acrylic pour method. We're going to try to get cells with both Floetrol and Elmer's glue. We've got a spin table, so we're going to try a couple different techniques. There's our tiles over there drying out. We are out in the she shed, and we hope to be able to create something beautiful, and we'll top it off with resin. So we have several different kind of experiments going, and we'll be sure to let you know which way we think worked out the best. But this should be a fun one, so let's get to it. So one of the things that in my research, people recommend that you strain your Floetrol. And so that's what we're doing here. We're using just a simple little kitchen strainer, and it is catching some glumps. So there we are. That's step one. Alright, we're ready to finish up this first set of tiles. I have this little tool to help me sand off these little bumps of resin here in the back. I haven't ever used it before, so we're going to learn how to use this. Got these pretty smooth, just giving them a dusting, and I'll come back. There's a stamp with alcohol, so that might even be enough. What I want to do is I want to paint this side just to make it a little bit more presentable. So we've got it dry. We're going to do our sides. Before it even dries, I'm going to go ahead and do a dollop of glue in here, just to help both to adhere well together. is E6000, the glue that I'm using. Alright, so there is the first set. May come in and add more feet because I think I put those two. I should have put them on the outer edge. So let's do that. There they are. We'll let them set and cure, dry all the way, and then we'll see if we need to do anything else to them. Alright, another step down. Well, here are our tiles. They're nice and dry. We got the little feet put on the back. Backs are painted. They're coated. We used this resin on the top, but there they are. They turned out pretty. Resin was a little harder to work with than what I thought, but we got the end product there. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, would you please consider subscribing? And well, until next time, happy crafting!